Figma AI features can actually save you hours of design work, but only if you know how to use it right. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to generate images, build layouts, rename messy layers, and even rewrite your UI copy in just 5 minutes, so let's get started. There are 3 powerful AI tools categories and some hidden options that are not very easy to spot. So let's start with AI design tools category, where we can create a first draft, which is an AI-powered layout generator. And you can do this by clicking first draft, where you will see 4 options: basic app, app wireframe, basic site, and site wireframe. Let's choose basic app and prompt a table reservation app for a cat coffee shop. From here, you can toggle between light and dark mode, change your primary color, or select from the color wheel. You can also adjust the border radius, spacing, and typography. If you already have a specific brand font, you'll need to apply it manually later. Quick note, these layouts are based on Figma's internal libraries. That means they are efficient, but also quite standardized. So treat this as a starting point, not your finished product. Be sure to follow with your usual UX process: research, testing, and iteration. Next, we have rename layers. If your layers are still named Rectangle 73, this tool is definitely for you. Rename layers automatically assigns logical names to layers or frames. It will not override names you've already defined, so it's a great cleanup tool to have at hand. Next, we have a very handy search with image or selection tool. This feature lets you search your projects by selecting a visual element. Say you created a component but aren't sure if it already exists elsewhere. This option will help you locate similar elements in your files. You can also search by keyword if you prefer, and this is perfect for when you have one of those huge projects to work with and you want to maintain consistency. Replace content, which is a bit misleading, as it doesn't change the entire content, it only applies to text. But this is a great way to replace any placeholder text you may have. For example, let's change the text on this section to show top reservation packages. Yeah, so this is perfect for updating placeholder copy. Our next category is AI image editing, where you can make an image based on a prompt. Choose from a few AI models and either generate a brand new image or even fill an existing shape or layer. Quick example here: realistic mountain under the rain. That actually looks pretty impressive as a hero header. Now let's refine it by adding rainforest. And just like that, you've enhanced your image. It's a really fast and creative way to generate visual assets, especially during the exploration phase. Now remove background. Straightforward, removes background of an image. Simple but effective. It's best used for cleaning product shots or profile images. Results can vary with complex backgrounds, but for most straightforward cases, it gets the job done quickly. Boost resolution helps you when you need to scale up an image without sacrificing clarity. Perfect for mockups or exports where quality matters. No more pixelation nightmares. With Edit Image, you can modify any image, even if it wasn't created in Figma. Let's quickly try enhancing this one. We'll brighten it up and shift the tone slightly, and the result, well, that is a lot different, certainly vivid. So you can use this tool to adjust visuals for consistency across your designs. Next category is as powerful as the previous ones: riffing and writing. Starting with rewrite, which allows you to adjust tone and style. You can try things like make it more casual, make it suitable for Gen Z, convert to bullet points, or you can even start from scratch. For example, rewrite this error message in a calm, empathetic tone. And this is pretty fast. Now, for when you get a huge text and need to fit microcopy into tight UI spaces, shorten trims down long text, and you can try it as many times to shorten text as needed. Translate 2 supports 10 languages as of this recording and performs impressively well. We also have hidden AI options here. The tools available in this AI menu will change depending on what you select. a text, an image, or a frame. Some options are quite hidden as they are context dependent. With ad interactions, Figma AI will automatically create connections between selected frames. It handles simple flows well, like navigation menus or back buttons. Think of it as a jumpstart for basic prototyping that you can refine and improve later if needed. And that's your guided tour through Figma AI beginner features. Feel free to ask me any questions, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.